Hello everyone, and thank you for watching this Unity interface course. This course was created just for a simple introduction, and we plan to make many more courses. There's one more important option that I forgot to mention, the layout section. This menu controls how the Unity interface is arranged. Unity has several preset layouts, such as default 2 by 3 tall, wide. You can switch layouts anytime, or even save your own custom layout if you arrange the windows the way you like. If something goes wrong or a window disappears, you can simply choose Layout Reset to Factory Settings. Okay, in the next course, we will start learning C# and Unity step by step, so you can start coding your own games. If you enjoyed this course and want to follow along with the next one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and join our community to keep learning and building amazing games.